on another Friday to give you some more shit staying action.
Shit staying action, some more Liddy activities.
So we've done quite a bit since last time. We got taillights mocked up, fuel cell kinda in there. It's on its podium, it's sitting there, but she'll start right up. It's all plumbed up and all that jazz. Got our harnesses kind of wrapped up. We just sprayed this today, so we bedlined that. Got our e-brake in, some mirrors on, and she's coming together pretty quick. But Aaron, what did you deduce when we got this all started?
It's misfiring.
How bad?
Pretty bad.
Sounds like a
It sounds like it's cam.
Dude, it sounds. Can we start it? Yeah, we're gonna start it.
Start it up.
Sounds pretty cam. Sounds like a big old V8.
So, it's not cammed at all, and so we need to figure that out. You're just going straight at it, aren't you?
That would be the way to do it.
All right, well, I'll make a nice little video.
Next day.
Oh, geez. What'd you pick up, boys?
Oh, just a little 72 Honda. Just a little putzer
Rounder.
You gonna make it like a little cafe racer type thing?
Yeah, that's what we're working on. We pulled the fender and the taillights because who needs that junk? And,
Right on.
Yeah,
Hell yeah.
it's gonna be a good little time.
Well, welcome back, day 2. And so yesterday we changed plugs, and that really didn't do much. And so we're just gonna drive it anyway because we're irresponsible children. And why are they calling when we're vlogging? So Aaron, the stunt double, is gonna
Test it out.
yeah, why not? Got a nice overflow reservoir. We tied up the battery. We made sure this was solid, you know, that's not going anywhere. And hopefully he doesn't die. Yesterday I welded the seatbelt all together, so he's set and ready to bet now. Oh wow. It's twisted. It's twisted.
Alright, let's see if we can get in any trouble.
Okay. I'll have to start it for you. You ready? Yeah, are you in gear?
I'm in gear.
Oh wow.
Wait a minute, you gotta move that. You gotta tuck. Go on the other side and tuck that brake. Whatever this is.
No. But she's running much better. I'll tell you what. It definitely needed plugs no matter what. But
Yeah! Why does she sound camming? It's misfiring.
Is that it?
That's my old SMT4. Shut the gate. Shut the gate. You're wild. Why, dude? You had gas spraying everywhere.
It's pitching for big time out of our makeshift lug nut bypass. Yeah, screw all that.
We had to do it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Motherfucking idea what you're talking about. Alright, let's see the instant replay. Dude, let's see the replay. I went sideways and I felt like I got it. Yeah. It was dude, it was I saw it on the 45 degrees. Dude, it's so fucking easy. Alright, we're going